Hey kids, I'm back. Making unicorn princesses cookies. Unicorn cookies. Because I love unicorn princesses. And because I'm getting new unicorn books and I'm loving it. These are unicorn rainbow sprinkles. Flour, coconut oil, serum. This is salt. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this looks so squishy. It's so slimy. 2 cups of coconut oil. Yeah, ba ba ba. Microwave the coconut oil. Oh, I think it's ready. Wow. Wow, it's already opened. Okay, here. Put in the trash can. I'm gonna do this. Mom, could you open this real tight? Okay. Now look at that. Oh, now look at that. Let's do the syrup. What is him? Have anything else? Okay. Pour the sprinkles in. Just make a whole mountain of sprinkles. Okay, now kids, let's get cooked. I'm gonna use this to make it flat a little bit. So all you want to make it flat if it's a little too big. Or it tastes a little spicy. No. Good. Okay, Mom, could you hold this? I can't hold it from. It's okay to get your hands messy. So, it's just like you're making a snowman, okay? Now let's put it in the freezer. Over there. Blakey, take a bite. What's this? Oh, they're Nami. They're Nami. Go. It's a Nami.